Hello friends, welcome to my channel IZ Education Tutorial. In this video, I have written 6th Standard English 4.3 Mr. Nobody Workbook Solution. Question number 1. Activities based on extract. Complete the web. First may have finger marks. Second, ink. Third, the blinds. Fourth, boots. Next, nobody is mischievous, lazy, careless, destructive, quiet, invisible, clumsy, untidy, funny. Next one है question number 3 activities based on vocabulary. Next one textual additional question. Answer the following question. First, list all the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Next one है Next question number 2. Pick out the rhyming word from the poem. Mouse house, ajar afar, maid fed. Next one question number 2. Imaginary that there is a Mr. Somebody and Nobody. If you satisfy my answer, you can stop and complete your workbook. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.